Now, Region 8 Storm Team weather.
There's just enough humidity in the atmosphere tonight to make it feel finally like summer. We saw temperatures today only in the mid-80s, and tonight it's a little bit closer to that average. We're in 79 degrees here in Jonesboro and in Paragould, 75 the number in Walnut Ridge, right there in the middle of the road, as well as Batesville and in Searcy. Cool spot belonging to Hardy. We're right up the road in West Plains at 72 degrees, where the humidity just a little bit lower. But notice the dew points have been creeping up steadily from the mid-50s earlier all the way to the lower 70s now in Jonesboro. 72-degree dew point in Walnut Ridge. It is really feeling sticky for our friends in Lawrence County there. Dew point of 67 in Searcy. Whenever you get those upper 60s, low to mid 70s, you really start to feel that humidity. You notice that forest green coloration right there in the middle of your screen matches on the muggy side of the dew point meter. So feeling pretty muggy thanks to all the showers and thunderstorms we saw this afternoon. Still ongoing right now, a rapid scan indicating a possible hook echo, but nothing in the way of rotation. We're looking at a pretty strong thunderstorm there in Dunklin County, Pemiscot County, and New Madrid County, where it's been raining in Campbell for the last 2 hours. Still raining in Wardell as well as Gideon. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and try to figure out why our computer program is throwing out that algorithm there, the possibility for a little rotation. And I see that, a little bit of that wind right there along the New Madrid and the Dunklin Pemiscot County line, but nothing in the way of tornadic rotation as of right now. As a matter of fact, we've been dealing with these showers and thunderstorms all day long, and most of them have been below severe criteria, but they have been producing some very torrential rainfall, some very heavy rain. As you can see, the 20,000, 30,000, 40,000 feet, they've remained below severe limitations. Usually the hail really doesn't get going until about the 30 to 40,000 foot mark, and the largest of the hail usually gets to about the 50,000 foot mark. So again, very low and nothing really going on in the way of severe weather, but I will continue to track this little notch right there in the Pemiscot County area. But again, not expecting any severe weather tonight. It's mostly quiet for the rest of us. It's mostly clear in Jonesboro and Paragould and much of the state of Arkansas as well. You see those showers and thunderstorms that developed earlier this afternoon. Most of them lost their energy in that afternoon sun after it went down, and you don't see any more rain for the most of us. And Stormcast keeping the thing in there, keeping that slight chance of rain for the Missouri Boot Heel as we go through your Friday overnight and early Saturday morning. Just a few clouds for your Saturday morning, and again another chance of those widely scattered showers and thunderstorms for both Saturday afternoon and for Sunday afternoon. As of right now, our friends in Cross County, 75 with an east wind at 5 miles an hour. Just enough of a wind speed there to keep that really muggy, that stagnant air away. Still 79 in Jonesboro, feeling pretty muggy down Stadium Boulevard and Johnson Avenue. Here tonight, low of 66 degrees in Jonesboro, a southeast wind at 5 to 10. Looking at the temperature starting out in the 60s in the morning, a light wind, low humidity. By the time we get to the afternoon, it's really going to warm up. 88 for an afternoon high, southeast wind at 5 to 10. Return to the lower 90s by the second half of the weekend. A slight chance of rain as we get through Tuesday and Wednesday. Partly cloudy skies. A disturbance rolls along. It looks like we have a 30% chance of rain from Wednesday into Thursday and into Friday as overnight lows reach the low and mid 70s. So, Allison, I hope you've enjoyed this cooler than normal weather. I know you've been a fan for a long time of that hot summertime weather, but I've enjoyed this cooler than normal weather.
I mean, it's summertime. You're supposed to have temperatures in the 90s.
I mean, you can't go out in the pool with temperatures in the low 80s.
True
so
that.
It's not as fun.
Not comfortable. Thank you, Brian.